steering wheel airbag removal. Look at the holes on the side of the steering wheel, and there's a metal spring that you need to press on and pull the airbag at the same time. If you're refitting the steering wheel, which I'm not because the car has been dismantled, you've just got a 16mm bolt in the centre. Apply the steering lock with the steering wheel in the straight ahead position. You have to hold that for me. Without the steering lock. So inside here, so it's taking itself out, but there's a connector here for the multifunction controls. That's it, steering wheel off.